So if you are wearing either a denture, right, a loose-fitting denture, or if you have really bad teeth and it's been determined all of them have to be removed, what are the options in your office when it comes to dental implants?
So we have snap-in dentures and we have fixed dentures. For the snap-in dentures, we can start with 2 or 4 on the bottom and then 4 on the top. A lot of times people are able to eat a lot of foods that they aren't with the traditional denture. We're talking apples, sometimes uncooked raw vegetables, things like that.
Okay.
So it really kind of opens things up a lot. And now as far as the fixed dentures, the ones that screw in place and don't come in and out, there's really no restriction.
So like upper and lower teeth that don't come out. Full
That's right.
arch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's right. With those, you're pretty much able to eat whatever you want at that point, depending on the material that we make them out of. But typically, most people, they're eating steak. People are eating, apples, corn on the cob, whatever it is that you like. There's really no restriction.
It's like anything you could eat with regular teeth, you could eat by implant-supported teeth.
That's right.
Do they look real, the teeth?
Yeah, a highly characterized zirconia restoration it's almost indistinguishable from natural teeth.
How old can you be to get this done?
There's no age restriction. There are people placing implants at 100 years old.
So age doesn't matter. They're not more likely to fall out if you're 80 or 90.
There's no correlation with age on the implant failure rate.
Now, what if somebody 70 or 80 comes in, they want to get upper and lower teeth locked in, supported by dental implants? What if they're on a couple of medications? I mean, studies show that if you're 80, you're on maybe 3 or 4 medications. Can you still do it?
There are a few health conditions that we look out for, but the vast majority of people can have dental implants with a very, very high success rate.
So what if you're on like an osteoporosis medication or a blood thinner? Can you still do it?
We can manage those, absolutely.
Okay.